So, Octavia, what are your mornings usually like living with a DJ?
I wake up every morning. I come downstairs. She's doing the dishes. She's great, right? A roommate who does the dishes. Only one problem. She cleans them with wubs.
So, Octavia, although you have your share of differences, it seems the two of you still manage to live together in harmony. Is that fair to say?
Well, yes, we do share our differences, but vinyl usually means well. Oh, no, man, she's cool. I mean, yeah, she can get kinda snooty now and then, but what can you do?